me get to that one about, you know, if it's comment, USA jobs and White House jobs. Okay, hold on. Let me show you what I was talking about here because
I
this is
never heard
important.
of White House jobs. I know USA jobs.
There
White
was
House need more jobs in their article, but go ahead. White House said we need more cyber jobs.
this thing where 500,000
Yeah.
jobs that the government was looking for. And let me just see if I can find that. They said they have a gap between cybersecurity jobs in particular where they can't find enough people to do the jobs.
Yeah.
And it came from the White House. So I'm trying to find the actual link that could show you guys what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I think I did a video on that, but yeah, I think we gatekeeping those jobs. Why are you looking for it?
Telling
People
you.
people ask me what's my thoughts on AI and machine learning. I said our gap is so big that I think AI is going to eat up that gap. I don't think anybody's going to be laid off because we're 1 million people short. Some people said 5. I seen 1.2 million people we're looking for. Some will say we 750,000. So what AI is taking the gap so big, nobody's getting laid off in cyber for probably 5 or 6 years.
So here's what the article here. White House launches a cybersecurity hiring sprint to help fill 500,000 job openings. National Cyber Director Harry Coker Jr. unveiled the program as part of an effort to fill the continuous gap of cyber technology and AI positions. So let me see if they're not putting here it is. Okay. I'm trying to find the actual link. White House looks to close the massive cyber gap. And last time I checked, the link was on whitehouse.gov. But let me see if they have another place. Yeah, okay, here's whitehouse.gov. And they're saying, in fact, this is coming directly from whitehouse.gov. Fact sheet: administration announces national cyber workforce and education strategy to unleashing Americans' cyber talent. And looking for the actual, they're going through all the policies and stuff they're trying to close out. And let me see here. Look at this. It's not just DOD, right? It's Office of National Cyber Director. It's the NIST, the actual NIST, Department of Labor, Office of Personnel Management, Veteran Affairs Office, HUD, and a bunch of other organizations are all involved with this, and they're trying to fill many of these departments as well. So this is a huge thing, and I'm looking for the actual where you can actually apply. Okay, here we go. So just go to whitehouse.gov. You'll find all this stuff here. You can also just Google it, and connecting Americans to good paying jobs in cyber. And tons of links here. Just a whole bunch of guidance and resources. If you're actually looking to get into this, we were just talking about how can Gen Z get into this field? They have incentives to get people in here because there is a gap. I'm telling you, I've been working as a contractor many years for these different organizations, and we're not getting young people in. There's not a lot of people getting in here, and here's some contact information if you're trying to get into these jobs. Lots of stuff here, but you got to get in there and go for it.